If you work on modern Hyundai ECUs, you already know how tricky Delphi diesel systems can be when it comes to safe and reliable data access. One wrong move, and you're dealing with a locked unit, corrupted data, or a very expensive paperweight. Today we are breaking that fear completely, because I am walking you through how the CG FC200 programmer reads and writes the Hyundai Delphi DCM7.1AP ECU using the DAP adapter, cleanly, safely, and without guesswork. Welcome back to Baabji Motors. This is Hussein, and this channel is all about real workshop knowledge, real diagnostic tools, and real procedures that actually work in the field. If this kind of deep, practical content helps you grow as a technician, take a second to like the video and subscribe to Baabji Motors so you do not miss what is coming next. Throughout this video, I will also be using professional tools that are linked in the description. Those links are affiliate links, which means the channel earns a small commission at no extra cost to you, helping us keep this content coming. Everything shown here is for educational and informational purposes only. We are demonstrating ECU reading procedures for learning, testing, and professional development. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles or electronic control units. Now here's the big question I want you to think about as we go through this process. What actually makes the FC200 so reliable when reading both EEPROM and flash data on Delphi DCM7.1AP ECUs? Stay with me until the end, because I will answer that clearly with one key insight most people miss. We are focusing on the Hyundai Delphi DCM7.1AP ECU, which is based on the Infineon TC2771 microcontroller. This ECU is commonly found in modern Hyundai diesel vehicles and requires boot mode access for full and safe data reading. For this job, the required tools are simple but very specific. You need the CG FC200 programmer, the new DAP adapter designed for Delphi and Denso applications, and a stable 12-volt power supply. Power stability matters here more than people realize, because voltage drops during boot mode operations are one of the fastest ways to create problems. The DAP adapter itself is a very important part of this setup. It is designed for Toyota first-generation Denso ECUs, Delphi DCM7.1AP and DCM7.24 systems, and also supports PCR 2.1 immobilizer data parsing and cloning. One nice thing about this adapter is flexibility. There are two supported connection methods. The first option uses a female connector, with the male end plugged into the FC200, giving you a bit of working distance. The second option allows you to connect the DAP adapter directly to the FC200 without any extension. Functionally, both methods work the same. In this demonstration, we are connecting the DAP adapter directly to the FC200 for a clean and compact setup. Once the hardware is ready, we move to the software side. Open the FC200 software and navigate through the menu path for Hyundai, then Delphi, then DCM7.1AP with a Hyundai TC2771 selection. At this stage, you select boot mode. The software will immediately show you the wiring diagram, and this is not a step to rush. Take a moment to verify every connection before applying power. With the wiring confirmed, connect the ECU to the FC200 using the DAP adapter, and supply a stable 12 volts to the unit. After that, we set the ECU into boot mode according to the wiring instructions, and then initiate the connection through the software. You will see the software establish communication successfully, confirming that the ECU is now under control and ready for data operations. The first data read we perform is the EEPROM read. In this ECU architecture, the EEPROM data is stored in the D flash area. Once you start the read process, you will notice how fast the FC200 handles it. The read completes smoothly, and the file is then saved properly, in this case organized inside a Hyundai folder for easy identification later. Next comes the P flash reading. Using the exact same wiring and connection, the FC200 begins reading the P flash memory. This is where many tools slow down or become unstable, but the FC200 maintains impressive speed and reliability. As the read progresses, it becomes very clear why this tool is trusted not only for Hyundai, but also for Volkswagen Group vehicles and many other platforms. Once the P flash read is complete, the data is saved successfully, completing the full ECU backup. And just like that, the job is done. EEPROM data and P flash data are both read safely using a single connection setup, without unnecessary reconnections or risky shortcuts. Now let me answer the question from earlier. What really makes the FC200 so reliable on the Delphi DCM7.1AP ECU is not just speed. It is the combination of correct boot mode handling, stable power management, and a DAP adapter that is purpose-built for these chipsets. That balance is what protects the ECU while still giving you full access to critical data. Personally, I find this setup extremely workshop-friendly. It saves time, reduces stress, and gives consistent results, which is exactly what you want when you're working on customer vehicles. Here's a useful insight many technicians overlook. Always keep your original EEPROM and P flash files archived properly. Even if the job goes perfectly, those backups can save you hours or days later. If this walkthrough helped you, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Let me know what ECUs you want to see next. Check the description for the exact tools used in this video. They are affiliate links, and using them directly supports Baabji motors at no extra cost to you. Now let us push this video together. If you relate to this kind of hands-on diagnostic content, smash the like button and help us hit 10,000 likes. I want to see 1,000 comments from technicians around the world sharing their experiences. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your workshop friends, and consider joining the channel membership to support our goal of making Baabji Motors the #1 practical diagnostics channel out there. Your engagement is what keeps this channel growing, reaching more technicians, and delivering better content every single week. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep sharpening your skills, and happy diagnosing.